GoogleAdsStrategy.com.
Hello and welcome to the Google Ads Strategy Show, where I answer your questions about Google Ads. I'm your host, Kyle Sullerud, and if you have a question to ask, head on over to GoogleAdsStrategy.com and you'll find a spot where you can submit your question, and I might just answer it on the show. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, what are Google search partners? Now, when you're setting up a Google campaign, there is an option to check a little box, and that box is going to determine whether your ads show on the Google Search Partner Network or not. And there's been a lot of discussion about this over the years. I see a lot of campaigns where people just turn this off. I know there were some very popular books many years ago where that was the advice, was to just turn off the Google Search Partner Network. But I actually don't follow that method. I don't think it's a good idea to immediately turn off the Search Partner Network. Now, here's why. Let me get into what the Google Search Partner Network is. So, Google Search Partners are other websites other than Google.com who show Google search ads on their website. So, if someone is searching for something on a partner website, there is the potential for your advertisement to show. So when figuring out whether it's a good idea to include the search partners or not, we need to know who are the search partner websites. Well, there are actually some very big websites that use Google's ads. They are partners with Google and they show Google search ads. So, for example, you will find Google ads on Amazon.com. These are going to be at the bottom of the page. So if someone's searching for a certain product, they used to scroll all the way through Amazon. They didn't find something they wanted to look at. At the bottom, that's where you're going to find Google search ads. Okay. Some similar websites that are going to show ads for products would be eBay and Walmart. Okay. These are all very big websites. And these all show Google ads. So if you are selling a product, if you are in e-commerce, usually these are good websites for you to show your ad on, especially considering where the ad is. It's after they've already searched through Amazon. They didn't find what they wanted on Amazon. Now they're looking for other options. Okay, this is a prime time to show your ad to someone, and hopefully you can solve their problem. Now, another example would be a website like Yelp. Okay, if you're on Yelp, you will see Google search ads. Now, these are not going to be ads for products. These are going to be ads for local businesses, local services. If that's you, if you're running ads for a local service business, Yelp is a great place to show your ad, right? Someone is going to be on Yelp because they want to hire a local service business. So again, very good place to run your ad. Because of this, because there are these nice high quality sites that run Google Search Partner ads, they usually work. Okay, Google Search Partner ads usually work very well. You can track the progress of this in your campaign by segmenting out the data. So when you're looking at your dashboard, you can just segment and show regular Google results versus Google Partner results. And usually what you'll find is the Google Search Partner Network does not convert quite as well. You'll have a lower conversion rate with Google Search Partner traffic than you do with regular Google traffic. However, the cost per click on Google Search Partners is also lower. So you're not paying as much for the traffic. So it's okay if it doesn't convert as well, because ultimately what usually happens is you pay about the same per conversion as you're paying with Google.com traffic. Sometimes you pay a little less, okay, which is great. Sometimes you pay more. If that's the case, you need to decide, is it still worth it for you to run your ads on the Search Partner Network? Even if you're paying a little more than Google.com, you still might be making a good return, a good ROI on those ads. If it's too high, of course, you want to pay attention, and you can always turn the search partner traffic off. You just go back into your campaign settings, you uncheck the box, and your ads will stop running on these Google partner sites. Now, in my experience, you will usually get a cost per conversion that is the same or lower than Google.com traffic. That's why I recommend starting with the Search Partner Network turned on, and then you just keep an eye on it. Only turn it off if you need to. Okay, another thing to keep in mind is you will not get a ton of traffic from the Search Partner Network. The majority of your budget is not going to go to these search partner placements. It's going to be a fairly small percentage of your traffic. But if it allows you to get more leads and more sales, why turn it off, right? Keep it on. Even if it's a fairly small percentage of your leads and sales, it will be additional leads and sales. So that's what I have to say about the Search Partner Network. This has been the Google Ads Strategy Show. I am your host, Kyle Sullerud, and I'll see you on the next one.